In this video, I want to deploy vManage. vManage include VH and CH. VH are VH Cloud and CH are CSR 1 kV. 1 kV with iOS XE SD-WAN edition. Okay, let's first start this vManage. Start VH11, start VH21, start CH31 and start CH41. You see site ID 1 for VH11, site ID 2, we use these site IDs. For VH21, site ID 3 for CH31, and site ID 4 for CH41. Before we start the configuration and deployment, I suggest you connect your PCs to this scenario. How can you connect your PC to this scenario? You can use from here, add an object, select add an object, and then network. Okay. As you see, number of network to add is 1. It's okay. Name prefix. For example, I can use Arash PC. And after that, it's important to use the type of management cloud. Management cloud connects to the network interface card of our PCs. According that, I choose save, and this is the network interface card of my PCs. I can connect it to the core switch. I temporarily turn off the core switch. Okay, after that, I can connect my PC to the core switch. Okay, good. And after that, I start core switch again. Okay, the IP address of my PC now is 192. The IP address of my PC, the NIC of my PC, 192.168.1.222.0/24. This is the IP address of the NIC of my PC. Okay, and for example, I can use the IP address of 192.168.1, for example, 50 for Ethernet 1.1 in core switch. And this is the default gateway of the NIC of my PC because I want to connect from my PC to this scenario. Okay, go to core switch. This is core switch. From here, we should connect to core switch. Click on core switch. Okay, here. First, conft interface Ethernet 1/1, this interface. And then no switch port. Why? Because all of the switch ports, all of the ports in the core switch by default is layer 2. And we should convert them to convert Ethernet 1.1 to layer 3 or routed port. No switch port, convert interface Ethernet 1.1 to routed port. And now we can give an IP address to this interface, IP address 192.168.150. Okay, 255.255.255.0, and then write memory. Okay, now we should ping from core switch to my PC. Ping 192.168.1.220. If the ping is okay, yes, it's okay. We can connect from my PC to all of the components in this scenario. And don't forget that you should configure default gateway in the network interface card of your PC to 192.168.150. Okay, it's okay now. And after that, don't forget, you should enable routing in the core switch with IP routing command, write memory. Very good. Now, I want to try to connect from my PC to this server. For example, with remote desktop, with RDP service. You can type MSTSC in your PC. I type it now, MSTSC, and then I want to try to connect 10.0.0.5. Okay, I see this prompt, yes. And now remote desktop is ready. Okay, yes, I should change it to Arash-SD-WAN, this is my domain, and then password, and this is password. Very good. Okay, password is incorrect. Okay, now I'm connecting to our server. As you see, here is my remote desktop connection. You see in the picture. Okay. And if I want to send a file from my PC to the Windows server, to this server, I can use this remote desktop. Or for example, I can connect to vManage with a web browser. Look at here. For example, I want to connect to web browser at 10.00.3. Open a tab 10.00.3. Okay. As you see, advance, and then accept the risk and continue. Okay. And now I should enter my credential, admin, and then admin, login. Okay, we directly connect to vManage dashboard. As you see, I connect from here, Arash PC, to vManage directly. Open a web browser tab and type the IP address of the vManage, and I connect to vManage. Very easy. Okay, next step. In the next step, we should copy the WAN edge list from our PC, from my PC. The WAN edge list I took from Cisco portal, software.cisco.com, into the Windows server or into the server. Okay, we have a remote connection, remote desktop from my PC to Win server here. Look at here, it's a remote desktop. As you see, I want to copy the serial file from my computer to the remote desktop to server. It's so easy. You can copy from your computer and paste everywhere in the server. For example, in the downloads folder, it's my file. Paste. It's serial file.viptela, the file that I took from Cisco website. Okay, let's continue. As you see, we are in Cisco vManage now. Don't have any VH numbers is 0. After the configuration and deployment of VH, we see that 2 VH and 2 CH, totally 4 WAN edge. Okay, first we should go to configure WAN edge 1.1 and WAN edge 2.1. Okay, go to remote desktop and open the web browser here. This is my remote desktop to server, and from here first I should create a whitelist for WAN edge. As you remember, for deploying controllers, first we go to devices, and in devices, in controllers part, in controllers field, we add vBond and vSmart, and then we install certificate for them. Now in WAN edge list, you should upload your WAN edge list. Upload WAN edge list, click on upload WAN edge list and choose file. Where is the file? The file is in the download folder. Okay, serial file.viptela. Open it and validate the uploaded WAN edge list and send to controllers. Okay, I validate all of the controllers. I have 10 VH and 10 CH in my serial file. Okay, upload, but I don't use all of them. 2 VH is sufficient for me in this scenario, and 2 CH is sufficient for CH. Totally 20 device, 20 WAN edge is available in this file, but 4 WAN edge, 2 WAN edge, 2 CH, 2 VH and 2 CH are sufficient for me. Okay, very good. And as you know, success, status to success, and message push serial list to vSmart, vManage, and v1. Very good. Now we can go to devices. In devices, we can see the list of WAN edges and include VH and CH. VH cloud 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,